Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of POS Spa or Salon Management Advanced in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app streamlines appointment booking and management for spas and salon and beauty parlors directly from the POS system. User can schedule, confirm, cancel or check-in appointment including home service booking, ensuring a seamless customer experience. With real-time tracking and easy checkout, this app enhances efficiency while integrating all bookings into the backend for better management. First of all, we will go into the point of sale module. Under configuration, we will find a menu named shift time. Open that and here you can see we have created two different shifts. The first one is the morning. You can see the start and ending time. And the second one is night shift. You can add your start and ending time according to your shifts. After that, under configuration only, we will find a menu appointee team. Here you can see two different teams. The first one is haircutting. You can see the manager, the time shift, and here is one checkbox named home service. Enable that if you give home service. Here you can see under members the employee names. The second one is makeup, and under that you can see the manager, the time shift, and enable the checkbox if you give home services, and you can see all the members. After this, under configuration, we will go into the settings. Here, under Spa and Salon Management, you will find a checkbox named Allow Create Booking. Enable that checkbox. After that, you will find the appointee team. Add your teams in here. We have added hair cutting and makeup team. Under that, you will find a default appointee team. Add any team you want. I have added hair cutting team. Here, enable the checkbox Home Service Default Home Service Team. Select any team you want. I have selected haircutting team again. After adding all the data, save it. After this, we will go into the dashboard and you can see a shop for salon. Open register and here you can see in actions there are two different buttons. The first one is create booking, from where you can create your bookings, and here is the booking list where you can view all your bookings. So first we will click on create booking. You can see a validation will come saying you cannot create appointment, select customer first. So we will click on OK, and here you will find a customer button. Select a customer in here. I have selected Azure Interior. Now again we will go into the actions and we will click on create booking. Now it will give a validation error saying you cannot create appointment, select service or product first. So here we need to add products or service into the cart. We will look for our haircut service. Here we can see military haircut. Add it into the cart, and now we will go into the actions. Click on create booking. And you can see you will have two options, salon service or home service. First, we will select salon service. Now it will ask which team you want, haircutting or makeup. We will select haircutting team. Now it will ask for you to select the date and timing for your appointment. We will select 29 as our date. Click on create booking. Here you need to add a appointee. I am going to add Abigail Peterson as my appointee. Now you need to add the start and end date for your appointment. You can add notes if you want. Here I am adding a note, hair cutting. After that, click on create booking. You can see appointment is created. After that, click on OK. Now we will go into the actions and we will go to the booking list. Open that and here you can see the appointment we just created. Here you can see the state of that appointment. Now again we will come to our shop and we will add the product into the cart and we will create one more appointment in the action. Select salon service and select anyone. We are selecting makeup. Select your date and create booking. Here select appointee, start and end date and create booking. Now we will go into the action and we will go into the booking list. Here you can see two different booking appointments we just created. You can just search your appointment from here also. Now you can see three different buttons in here: confirm, cancel and add or change service. So in the second appointment we will click cancel button. You can see the appointment is cancelled, so it disappeared. Now we will click on confirm button. Here, as you can see, the state of our appointment is changed to confirm. Now we will update it to done. Now you can see it is redirected to the payment page. Select cash or card as you want and click on validate. Here you can see your payment is successful and here you can see your receipt. Now we will go into the backend after closing our register. Here click on backend. Now under orders we will go into the orders. Here you can see the orders we just created. You can see the military haircut and here you can see the bookings. Here you can see the booking we just did. Here you can see it is in done state. Here you can see all the information of our appointment. You can see the appointee, everything in here. Not only here, but under configuration you will find a menu for bookings. Here you can see all the bookings. You can also see the second appointment we cancelled in here. You can see it is in cancelled state. And you can also see the appointment we just did. Here you can see that it is in done state. Now again we will go into the dashboard. We will click on open register and we will add our service to the cart. Here you can see I am adding military haircut. Select your customer. I am selecting Beth Evans. In action, we will create a booking. This time I am going to select home service. Select any one of the booking team. I am selecting haircutting team. Select your appointment date and create booking. Select an appointee. I am selecting Paul Williams. Start date and end date and create booking. Here you can see your appointment is created. After this, go into the session and go into the booking list. Here you can see your appointment is updated. Now click on confirm. You can see the status confirm. Now we will go into the backend. Under configuration, in booking, you can see the third number appointment we just created. In here, if you remember, we selected home service. So here the checkbox for home service will be enabled. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.